So now let's see the transition options inside of Adobe Spark. So over here I have this blank slide right here. So I'm going to, let's say, add in a text right here, and I want to say something like welcome. And I'm going to have another slide right here, and let's say in this case I want a split screen, so I want two objects right here. So over here on the left I want an icon, and let's say I'm going to search for a computer icon, just like that. So I'm going to search for computer and it pops up. So I'm going to click on this one right here. Another, over here I want another icon, let's say for example, and I want to say an icon of a keyboard right here. So I'm going to go over here and type in keyboard, just like this. So once I do that, the keyboard pops up over here. So let's say what I want is, I want this to play as it is, no changes, but over here in the transition, what I want to do is I want the computer monitor to pop up first and then the keyboard, just like that. So right now if you were to see, both of them will pop up all at once. So let me just play this out. So you can see that both of them are popping at the same time right now. I don't want that. I actually want it, one of them to actually pop out first. So for that there's a trick. So what I can do is I can duplicate the slide. So I can go over here, I can duplicate the slide right here, and over here on the first one, let's say I just want the monitor, I don't want the keyboard, so I can simply delete this. So on the first slide you can see that there's no keyboard, there's one on the second slide. I'm going to duplicate this again, and let's say now I want the monitor to go first. So I'm going to go over here and delete the monitor. So you can see that there's just the monitor on the first slide, monitor and the keyboard, and then the keyboard. So let me play this and see how it looks now. So you can see that now the monitor pops up first, then comes the keyboard, and then the keyboard goes out, just like that. And there you go, that's the animation. So you can see that that is how you can control the animation. You can also do the same with text. For example, if you want one text pop up and then you want to work with the text, then you can actually use that trick. So the transitions are all automatic, and they are linked with the themes that you use, which we're going to look at in our next lesson. So that is how you work with transitions inside of Adobe Spark. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.